The truth most people miss AI isn't replacing freelancers, it's replacing freelance tasks. The question is, are you adapting fast enough? In today's video, we're going deep into the top 5 AI tools that are transforming and, in some cases, replacing freelance roles. But don't panic. This isn't a doom story. It's about evolution, not extinction, because those who learn to work with AI will end up earning more, working less, and dominating the new digital economy. Let's get into it. Right now, over 1.5 billion people worldwide work as freelancers, writers, designers, editors, coders, marketers, you name it. The gig economy has exploded, but so has automation. What we're seeing in 2025 is a massive shift. AI is replacing repetitive, rule-based tasks, not creative, strategic ones. And that's a big difference. Think about it. AI can now write a blog post, generate a logo, summarize an hour-long meeting, or handle basic customer support all in seconds. But can it truly understand emotion, nuance, and brand storytelling? Not quite yet. So, instead of thinking AI will take my job, the smarter mindset is this: AI will take over parts of my job, freeing me to focus on the higher value work. This is where the next generation of freelancers, the AI-enhanced professionals, are rising. They use tools like Chatgpt, Canva AI, and fireflies to multiply their output while preserving human creativity and judgment. Task automation versus profession replacement. Here's the key distinction that most people overlook. AI doesn't make people irrelevant. It makes inefficient workflows irrelevant. For example, a content writer who spends hours brainstorming ideas, writing drafts, and editing manually, that's old school. But a writer who uses Chatgpt to draft, Grammarly to polish, and Notion AI to organize ideas, that person isn't replaced, they're enhanced. The new model of freelancing is hybrid. AI handles the grunt work. Humans handle the creative direction. So let's look at the freelance roles where AI is already doing the heavy lifting, and sometimes the entire job. Top 5 freelance roles being transformed by AI tools. Here's the part you came for. Let's break down 5 key freelance roles and the AI tools that are transforming and, in some cases, replacing them. 1. Basic copywriter. Replacing tools, Chatgpt, Jasper AI. Basic writing tasks like blog intros, ad copy, and product descriptions are now fully automated. Tools like Chatgpt can generate full-length, SEO-optimized articles from a simple prompt. Meanwhile, Jasper AI, built specifically for marketing and content creation, lets brands generate dozens of ad variations or blog ideas in seconds. A small business that used to pay a freelancer $50 to $100 per article might now spend $0 using AI. That's the harsh reality. But here's the nuance. AI doesn't replace storytelling, tone, or creativity. It just replaces first drafts. Smart writers use these tools to speed up the process and focus on strategy, the part machines can't master. In other words, bad freelancers will vanish. Smart ones will 10 times their output. 2. Template-based graphic designer. Replacing tools, Canva AI, Adobe Firefly, Luca. The era of, I'll design your Instagram post for $10, is fading fast. Canva AI now lets anyone generate full graphic templates from text prompts like, create a modern tech startup banner in blue and white. Meanwhile, Adobe Firefly adds generative fill, image creation, and smart background replacement right inside Photoshop, and Luca? It designs professional logos instantly complete with brand kits and mock-ups. This is massive. Small businesses that only need basic branding or social media designs are now doing it themselves using AI. But again, here's the advantage for human designers. Clients still need brand strategy, visual identity consistency, and storytelling. Those who combine creative vision plus AI execution are the ones getting hired for premium projects. 3. Data entry specialist. Replacing tools, AI-powered automation tools, Zapier, N8N, Airtable AI. If your freelance work involves manual spreadsheet updates, form entries, or CRM transfers, AI has already moved in. Tools like Zapier AI and N8N can now automate data transfers between apps with simple if this, then that logic. For example, a form submission from a client website can automatically update Google Sheets, trigger an email, and log the lead in Notion all without touching a single cell. These automations work 24/7, never take breaks, and never make typos. So yes, data entry as a freelance role is shrinking fast. But here's the opportunity. If you learn how to build these automations, you can rebrand yourself as an automation specialist, offering clients smarter systems instead of manual labor. 4. Transcriptionist. Replacing tools, Otter.ai, fireflies.ai, Descript. Transcription used to be one of the most in-demand freelance gigs until AI transcription tools went mainstream. Otter.ai and fireflies.ai can now record and transcribe meetings automatically, summarize discussions, and even extract key action points. Meanwhile, Descript goes a step further. It not only transcribes, but also lets you edit audio by editing text. So instead of paying someone to manually type out every word, clients can now upload a file and get a polished transcript instantly. That said, human transcriptionists still play a role in accuracy-critical fields, like legal or medical work, where AI might misinterpret context, but for general business and podcast work, AI is already dominant. 5. Customer support agent. Replacing tools, Tidio, HubSpot chatbots, Chat Simple. Customer support is another area where AI has completely changed the game. Modern chatbots like Tidio, HubSpot, and Chat Simple can now answer FAQs, route customer queries, and even process refunds, all without a human agent. They learn from customer interactions, improving over time, and they're available 24/7. Something freelancers simply can't compete with on scale. But again, the best support teams blend both worlds. AI handles the initial inquiries, while humans manage escalations, empathy-driven responses, and complex troubleshooting. That's the formula. AI handles volume. Humans handle emotion. After all this talk about automation, you might be thinking, what's left for us? Actually, quite a lot. Here are 3 critical human abilities that AI simply can't replicate. Yet, number 1, AI can mimic empathy, but it can't feel it. Freelancers who truly understand a client's goals, tone, and audience will always deliver something deeper than a machine-generated paragraph. The trust you build through understanding and human connection is still the strongest currency in freelancing. Number 2, AI can generate 100 designs, but only a human can decide which one fits the story. Clients want vision, context, and originality, things that come from lived experience and insight. AI can remix data. Humans create meaning. Number 3, AI follows logic. Humans make leaps. When a project suddenly shifts direction or a client's brand tone changes overnight, a machine can't pivot instinctively. You can. That's what makes the difference between a service provider and a strategic partner. So now that you understand what AI can do and what it can't, how do you adapt? Here are 5 actionable strategies to make sure you stay ahead of automation. Integrate, don't fear. Don't compete against AI. Use it. Incorporate tools like Chatgpt or Canva AI into your daily workflow. Let them handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on creativity, strategy, and scaling your business. Offer hybrid services. Market yourself as an AI-assisted freelancer. For example, instead of saying, "I write blog posts," say, "I create AI-enhanced content strategies that deliver faster and smarter results." Clients love innovation, and transparency builds trust. Upskill. Strategically focus on what AI can't do. Take courses in UX design, branding, storytelling, and project management areas where human insight still reigns. Learn automation tools. Even if you're not technical, learn tools like Zapier, N8N, or Make, formerly Integramat. Freelancers who can automate client systems are charging consulting rates instead of hourly rates. Educate your clients. Show clients how you use AI to improve turnaround time and reduce costs without compromising creativity. Position yourself as the expert who knows how to harness AI, not fear it. Remember, clients don't pay for effort, they pay for results. So, thanks for watching Automate Empire. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more future-focused insights, and share your thoughts below. Which AI tool has helped you the most in your freelance journey? Stay smart, stay creative, and stay ahead of the curve.